Reasonable Christmas list. Number 1, golden glass bead plate. This bead plate is a classic of Western glass dinner plate. This design of gold and silver edges makes the plate fashionable and elegant. The glass is very clear and available in 2 shapes and sizes, not only round but square. Number 2, Christmas elegant plate. Irregular gilt-edged sunflower ceramic dish. The unique design of elegant dish is eye-catching. Wow, we can see the Christmas printed arc motif of creative Christmas plate. The pink tone is very luxury, available in a variety of sizes. Next to this is a set of Christmas plate. It's composed of 4 plates. Each plate has a different pattern, exquisite and chic. Can also be used as a chimney plate and snack design. Get the joy of kindergarten in 1 second, and it's perfect for Christmas candies and snacks. Do you feel the Christmas spice?